I request Sri Vinod Kumar Yadav, GM South Central Railway, to kindly come on the dais to say a few words.
Good afternoon to all of you. Professor Lakshmi Garu, former Director, Central for Women Studies, Osmania University. Sri K. Srinivas ji, President, South Central Railway Mazdoor Union. Srimati Archana Yadav ji, President, South Central Railway Women's Welfare Organization. Sri Sankar Rao Garu, General Secretary, South Central Railway Mazdoor Union. Srimati T. Kalavati Garu, Zonal Women's Coordinator, Mazdoor Union. Officers and employees of South Central Railway, ladies and gentlemen. I am so delighted to see such a vast crowd of South Central Railway employees. South Central Railway is considered one of the best zonal railway, and I do believe that women employees of South Central Railway, they are responsible for that. Today, women are working in each and every field. I was just seeing in news that yesterday Central Railway has started a passenger train with all women crew. I wish South Central Railway can also start such passenger train very shortly. Sometime back, Air India had started a direct flight from New Delhi to San Francisco. That is the longest flight Air India has, 14 hours continuously. And that flight was started with all women crew, pilot, co-pilot, all air hostesses. So today, women are working in each and every field, and that's a very great achievement. We as Indians have inherited a great culture which respects and honors women. It is unfortunate that with this legacy, our land is presently showing a host of prejudices against women. I earnestly feel that the entire society shall awake to correct these issues and ensure that women get a real empowerment. It is the bounden duty of every individual and organization to raise to this task and play their role to perfection. I am happy to note that South Central Railway has got the image as one of the best zones in terms of its work culture, including the respect and value given to its women workforce. In my opinion, women employees on railways are known for performing extremely well in their work sphere and assignments. It is a proud achievement for South Central Railway that around 20% of its employees' strength comprises of women workforce. That's a great achievement, which is sizably higher as compared to most of the other zones on Indian Railways. Incidentally, in terms of performance, also, South Central Railway is known to be among the best on Indian Railways. For me, this holds a very important connection, since it is my feeling that more number of women employees enable an organization to perform better. I wish to express my appreciation to South Central Railway Mazdoor Union, which has been rendering sincere service for the cause and welfare of women employees. It is indeed a great achievement that the organization is celebrating the International Women's Day each year on a huge scale and with enthusiastic participation of women employees. In this context, I would like to share with you the fact that administration has always been proactive to the needs of women employees. Today, we have got women working across all spheres of activities, including loco pilots, ticket checking staff, RPF personnel, station masters, engineers. Their effective output is contributing to the success of South Central Railway. It is responsibility of administration to address the issues concerning women employees and their families. On South Central Railway, several measures have been undertaken to make women employees feel cared. To enable a safe environment for women at workplace, committees have been constituted comprising of senior railway officials and others to look into any cases of harassment or victimization at the workplace. South Central Railway has been providing exclusive rest houses for women employees at headquarters and divisions so that they do not get inconvenienced during the course of their official duties. Health of women employees is one aspect that will always find priority on the list for South Central Railway. I acknowledge that we have been conducting health awareness program for women in association with both organized unions regularly. Giving due importance for the need to relax and rejuvenate, we have been holding camps and tours for women employees. I can also proudly add that South Central Railway is playing its role in promotion of girl child and small family norms amongst employees by financially rewarding them. I would like to state that I consider the entire workforce of South Central Railway as one big family involved in task of fulfilling national aspirations. Women employees on the zone are the most important members of this huge South Central Railway family, and it will be my endeavor to always meet their requirements and expectations. I assure that the achievements and efficiency of women employees will be given due recognition on South Central Railway. Coming to the greater scenario of the condition of women in the society, I strongly believe that anyone who holds concern for women should not sympathize with them, but really work to empower them. Towards this, what is important is to ensure that the female literacy rate is enhanced. All provisions pertaining to girls' rights are implemented. Child trafficking is stopped forthright. They are not utilized for labor and protected against all forms of evil, including female foeticide. No country can consider itself great if it does not give the women their respect and value. I wish to make a special mention of the fact that women employees of South Central Railway and women family members of South Central Railway personnel have enabled the zone to get a name nationally by their contribution directly or indirectly. In particular, I would acknowledge P.V. Sindhu and Mithali Raj for their achievement, and I am proud that they belong to South Central Railway family. I seek that South Central Railway Mazdoor Union and through it the South Central Railway employees, particularly the women employees, continue to strive for betterment of the conditions of women in the society, most importantly, the segment which lacks education and awareness. I assure you all that South Central Railway will always be forthcoming to address any issues concerning the women workforce. Thank you very much.